Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to humanize ChatGPT text. So in order to do this, create your text that you want to humanize, then navigate to quiltbot.com. Go to a new tab, type in quiltbot and log into quiltbot.com using your user credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up with an account and you'll be promoted to Quiltbot's dashboard. After you navigate to this dashboard, you'll have to navigate to the AI detector section and navigate to ChatGPT. Now copy the text from ChatGPT that you want to humanize, navigate to Quiltbot and in the AI detector section, click on paste text. Now select more of these text that you want to humanize, paste it in Quiltbot and click on analyze text. As you can see, this text is 100% AI generated. So what we'll do is copy all these text and navigate to the paraphraser section in Quiltbot by clicking on this icon, that is the first icon from the top left. And here we'll click on paste text. We'll click on paraphrase. This will instantly paraphrase whole text that we copied from ChatGPT and pasted on Quiltbot. So it will take some time and paraphrase it. Now we'll copy this text from this section, that is the paraphrase text, and navigate to the AI detector section, remove the previous text and paste our new paraphrased text and click on analyze text. So after paraphrasing your text will be somewhat humanized. Now if you want to do it another way, you can navigate back to ChatGPT and select the text first, copy it, paste it in this section, and at the last of this text, you'll have to simply write down humanize this text. Hit enter and this will humanize the text that you have created on ChatGPT. So these are the ways through which you can humanize ChatGPT's text. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.